Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel Paramount Plus subscription. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.paramountplus.com. So once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Paramount Plus. So once you're here, all you need to do is simply tap on your name, which is on the top corner. So once you tap on it, you need to now simply scroll down and tap on the account section. So once you tap on the account section as well, you will now be redirected to this kind of interface. So simply scroll down below where you can see an option called Cancel Subscription. So once you are in the subscription section and you find the cancel subscription option, simply tap on it, and now you need to simply consent that you have read all the terms and condition of cancellation, and after you do this, you need to simply tap on yes, cancel. So once you have confirmed that you want to cancel your subscription, you will need to give some reasons why you want to do so. Like there are a bunch of reasons. You can simply tap on it and simply hit the complete cancellation button. After doing this, you will get a verification that your subscription was cancelled successfully. So this is how you can cancel your subscription on Paramount Plus. I hope you liked this video. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.